Hello all, this is Mahima Shetty. So today we are going to do the setup for the project we are doing for tomorrow, right? So tomorrow we have the project of action detection for sign. So for that we have to do the setup. So this day I'm going to show how to do it and how to be prepared for tomorrow's session. Okay, so one PDF will be shared to you. So here they have given all those steps which are needed to be done, right? So this is the PDF which will be provided with. So we have to go to this anaconda.com/downloads. Okay, if you're clicking it, you are taken to a website. Now you can see it's a website from Anaconda themselves. And this is a toolkit which we are going to use in tomorrow's project session. Okay, so what we are going to do is we have to download this. Okay, on downloading, you will be able to see that you are getting an .exe file. Okay, that we have to download. The thing I'm taking this before the project session, the day before the project session, because of this the size of that file. Okay, it's a very big file, so we have to download that thing, and that's why I'm taking this before, so it won't waste our time in the project session. So that's why I'm taking the this setup thing today itself. So we have to download it. Okay, download that exe file which is there, which you will get in this after downloading this Anaconda thing navigator. After that, we have to download it. Then we have to open and run that exe file, as you always do when you're downloading something. You actually run that, right, for installing. So yeah, that's the same thing we are going to do. After installation, what you are going to do is first restart your PC or your laptop. Okay, then you go to the start button here, start thing. Type Anaconda prompt. Okay, you will get this Anaconda prompt. You have to click there. We need this thing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is all the what is it, code which we write. Okay, the statements which we write to generate something already it is written. So I'm just showing it how to do. Okay, now we are going to create an environment. You ask why we are creating an environment for the project. See, there are many dependency conflict happening every time when we are working with deep learning projects. Okay, so that is why I'm suggesting you, recommending you to create a environment. Then afterwards creating, then you have to go there inside and you have to build that project. Okay, so there won't be any package or dependency conflict there. Okay, so for this first statement is this thing, conda create. Okay, name action detection Python. This thing we are gonna, right now I'm taking the notepad so that you can see what is given here written. Conda, I'm asking Conda to create an environment which name is action detection. Okay, then we have to include the Python, the language which would be installed with it, Python, and also its version number. So I need this version number only. So that's why I'm mentioning it. Okay, so I'm select all, copy, I'm pasting it here. Okay, then we have to just press enter. Okay, now something will come. It will continue creating the environment. Yes, so I'm pressing Y, enter. The process will take time. Okay, as you can see, these new packages will also be installed because it is needed by it is other dependencies, but it also be installed with automatically. We don't have to separately write this all things. Okay, VC, SQLite, nothing we have to write. It will just automatically get installed, right? So it is here said proceed by yes or no. So we have to just type Y and enter. Okay. Now, a few seconds later, we will be done with the environment thing. Now we have to install all the packages which we need. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do? So first we have to activate. Okay. So there is some error here. Permission denied. Okay. Let me do again. See, the thing is done, right? There was some issue, maybe some error, it had come, permission error, but no worries. Again, you can make do that same thing and it will work definitely, no worries. Okay. Now what to do is we want to activate this environment. Okay, it is in the base class itself. I want to activate this environment. So it is already given here. Conda activate action detection, the name of that environment we want. Here also I have mentioned in the PDF, but I'm writing gonna write this. Conda activate action detection. Spell check, everything done. Enter. Now you can observe that the base class actually turned into action detection. So we can know now, yeah, the action detection environment is activated. Okay, just this thing. Now what we are going to do is only after activating the action detection environment, we are going to install the packages and dependencies. You got it? See, only after activating, then only we have to install this, or else it will get installed in base class, which we don't want. We want to get want to make these packages to be installed in action detection environment, not in base environment. Action detection, after activating only we have to do this. Okay. Now see, we have to copy this thing, the pip install, everything we have to copy. There should be no spaces in between. Not means there is no extra spaces in between, or else see, there is an extra space here, right? See, it is coming downwards. I don't want that. So I'm keeping it here only. Okay. See, okay, it's in one line only itself. So copy it, then paste it here. After activating action detection only, not in the base class, in the action detection class, we have to paste it, just press enter. Now this procedure will take, maybe for some people it will take half hour. Okay, I'm not telling that, it will take half hour. It's a very big thing. You can see it's 370 MB everything, and it will take it will take time. We have to be patient for this. Okay, some computers and networks are speed up, so no worry, but some people do have issues, so that's why I'm taking this session, this thing beforehand only. Okay, so that we don't waste our time in the actual day. Fine, it will take some time here. I will just pause for a minute. As you can see, the installations are done. You can see this thing, right? So from that, we can know that the installation, all these packages which we have wrote, all have done. Okay. So the next thing what we have to do is we have to install the Jupyter Notebook. You may have heard this, or may have you have worked with this. Okay. So this thing we want to install, because we will work with that Jupyter Notebook itself tomorrow for the project session. So that only we have to do. We have to paste it, pip install Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Then it will take some time. I will pause for a moment. Okay, so you can see that even Jupyter Notebook had been installed. Okay, so this whole procedure had took me time. So that's why I'm asking you to download and keep it ready before the project session starts. Okay, so that I can continue with the the project session. Okay, if possible, I can also first I will explain this all how to do, but it is better to keep it ready, or else you may lag off, like you will not proceed further, you will be left behind. That is the worst thing which could happen. This is a hands-on workshop, so that's why I'm asking you to keep it ready. Okay, so we'll be meeting you tomorrow for the project session. Thank you.